We are given two equations with two unknown variables, x and y. Equation 1, 2x plus 3y equals 7. Equation 2, 4x minus y equals 5. Our goal is to find the exact values of x and y that satisfy both equations at the same time. Think of it this way, each equation is a straight line on a graph. The point where they cross is the answer. We will use the elimination method. The idea is simple, make the coefficient of one variable equal and opposite in both equations, then add them together, that variable disappears. Let's choose to eliminate y. Look at the y coefficients in each equation. In equation 1, the y coefficient is positive 3. In equation 2, the y coefficient is negative 1. If we multiply equation 2 by 3, we get negative 3y, the exact opposite of positive 3y. Adding them will give 0. Now let's carry out that multiplication. We multiply every term in equation 2 by 3. Here is equation 2, 4x minus y equals 5. Multiply each term by 3, one at a time. 3 times 4x equals 12x. Three times negative y equals negative 3y. Three times 5 equals 15. So our new equation, let's call it equation 3, is 12x minus 3y equals 15. Notice, y coefficients are now positive 3 in equation 1, and negative 3 in equation 3. Perfect opposites, ready to cancel. Now the key step, we add equation 1 and equation 3 together, term by term. Equation 1, 2x plus 3y equals 7. Equation 3, 12x minus 3y equals 15. We draw a line and add them together. Watch the y terms, positive 3y plus negative 3y equals 0. They cancel out completely. The y variable is gone. Add the x terms, 2x plus 12x equals 14x. Add the right-hand sides, 7 plus 15 equals 22. Our result, 14x equals 22. Excellent, we now have just one variable. We now have a simple one-variable equation, 14x equals 22. To isolate x, divide both sides by 14. X equals 22 over 14. We can simplify this fraction. Both 22 and 14 are divisible by 2. "22 divided by 2 is 11. 14 divided by 2 is 7. Therefore x equals 11/7. We have found x. The first unknown is solved. Now we find y. Substitute x equals 11/7 into equation 1. Equation 1 is 2x plus 3y equals 7. Replace x with 11/7. Two times 11/7 is 22/7. So we have 22/7 plus 3y equals 7. To isolate 3y, subtract 22/7 from both sides. First, convert 7 into sevenths. 7 equals 49/7. Three y equals 49/7 minus 22/7. (49 minus 22 is 27. So 3y equals 27/7. Now divide both sides by 3. Y equals 27 over 21. Simplify by dividing top and bottom by 3. Y equals 9/7. We have found y. Both unknowns are now solved. And here it is, our final answer. X equals 11/7. And y equals 9/7. These two values simultaneously satisfy both of our original equations. They are the solution. On a graph, this is the exact point where both straight lines intersect. Let's always verify our answer by substituting back into both original equations. Check in equation 1, 2 times 11/7 plus 3 times 9/7. That gives 22/7 plus 27/7, which equals 49/7, which equals 7. Correct. Now check in equation 2, 4 times 11/7 minus 9/7. That gives 44/7 minus 9/7, which equals 35/7, which equals 5. Correct. Both equations are satisfied. Our solution is fully confirmed. Well done. Let's recap the 6 steps we used to solve simultaneous equations by elimination. Step 1. Write both equations and decide which variable to eliminate. Step 2. Multiply equation 2 by 3 to create a new equation 3 with opposite y coefficients. Step 3. Add equations 1 and 3, y cancels, leaving 14x equals 22. Step 4. Divide by 14 and simplify, x equals 11/7. Step 5. Substitute x back into equation 1 and solve for y equals 9/7. Step 6. Always verify in both original equations. And there we have it. X equals 11/7, y equals 9/7. Thank you for watching.